It's 2024. Happy New Year. In fact, today is January the 12th. Now, question for you. Have you started your New Year's resolution? Before you say, yes, David, I have, slow down. Because nothing has changed. Emotionally, you may be riding high or riding a little low. However, one thing stands true, and I'm going to tell you what it is, and it's going to help you launch into the new year with a brand new vision. I'll give you a moment. What is the biggest lie that you will ever tell yourself? I don't have enough time. Because the truth of the matter is, you do. This is one thing that never changes. All have 24 hours in a day to do as we please, subconsciously or consciously. And that is from a fellow by the name of Benjamin Franklin. So in this new year of 2024, I'm sure you'll agree, make conscious choices about how you use your time. Because time can't be replaced. And energy that we expend with our time are like brother and sister. And money can always be replaced. Probing thoughts. Nice looking guy too. You have 24 hours in a day. Now those 24 hours can be used to support your belief system, because I tell you what, your New Year's resolution that you made in haste, possibly, might not last the whole year or the year after that, because everything in life is a habit, people. Everything in life is a habit, and once we get a hold of that realization, the world and all our dreams are open to get the desired results that we want in life, spiritually, physically, mentally, emotionally, and of course financially. So what are you doing with your 24 hours? What are you consciously doing? Are you doing the same thing, carrying through the same routine? Because that's the thing. You carry from one year over to the next the same thing, the same process, the same routines that you previously did the 12 months before. And that's why New Year's resolutions aren't advisable. Because like a colander, they don't hold water. It's an emotion. There's a way that you can commit to a New Year's resolution. Try a day. Try an hour, then a week, then 2 weeks, then a month. Consistently, every day, micro changes lead to major transformation. Let me say that again. Micro changes leads to major transformation of your life. Popular motif, you go to the gym and everybody's there and everybody's working out and it's really good. You meet new people and everybody is pumped and energetic, and they talk about losing weight and getting tone and things like that and increasing their health and changing their diet. And changing the way they pray, changing the way they think, and they have New Year's resolutions about investing their money in something. Now, it's really easy to be in a large crowd because you have that synergy. That's how God made us. You have that synergy pulsating through. It's kind of like a stage play. All the actors are working towards one goal, and that's to give a great performance. And they're leaning on each other for that great performance. However, back to the gym motif. Eventually, February becomes March, March becomes April, April becomes May, May becomes June, and pretty soon, some of those people have bowed out. Gracefully, quietly, they stop going to the gym. They stop talking about their dreams and things like that. Why? I'll tell you why. Because your subconscious mind runs on roughly 5 billion neurons. This is science. It's true. Your conscious mind runs on about 2,000 neurons. So who's in the driver's seat? It's your subconscious mind. So picture this just for a minute. Give you some quick tips right now that you can apply today immediately to get the results that you want in your life. Whenever we're thinking and not speaking, we are in our subconscious mind. When we speak, those are the activities and fire off the neurons, which changes the way we live. Because we have new ideas and we express them with words. The Bible talks about this. The Word was made flesh and dwelt among them. Jesus became flesh and dwelt among us. His Word, and changed how we believe with our words. And therefore, hopefully, we accepted Jesus as our personal Lord and Savior, and then we start to think like He does. God's the one who made the brain, this conscious and the subconscious. Now, I'll give you a quick example about how your subconscious mind works. Ready? Okay, that's how the subconscious mind works. Every time you close your mouth, your subconscious clicks in. It's an automatic thing, like blinking. But when you talk and you continue to talk, Now, we can't talk all the time, of course. Some people do. The more we consciously make an effort and talk to ourselves, it's called self-talk. We give ourselves the permission to change. But it takes speaking. It takes speaking out new ideas, even writing them down. If you have no one to speak to, either talk to the room or write it down. There's a great book out there. It's called Write It Down, Make It Happen. I highly recommend it. So today, I want you to think about and write down and speak out micro changes that you can make today in order to fulfill your daily, weekly, monthly, and then finally, yearly New Year's resolution. Make every day a new year. If you need a coach, I may be the one for you. DavidThompsonCoaching.co, DavidThompsonCoaching.co. Subscribe, like, and share, and feel free to leave a comment. I appreciate you guys. Remember, micro changes leads to transformations.